Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education to solve technical problems. Today we are changing the fuel filter in P550E01, a fuel cell generator which has 2500 series engine. These are the two filter housings from where we have to change the cartridge. First we have to drain the fuel from this filter housing with the help of 17 mm spanner. The purpose of draining the fuel is to decrease the weight of this housing. There is a chance of damaging the threads. The threads might get damaged when it's full of diesel. Now removing the drain plug, you can see the diesel is coming out of the drain and it's full of diesel and water and very dirty diesel coming out of here, because this is a water separator. Fuel filter. This is the filter cartridge we have removed. It's in very bad condition. We will replace it with the new one. This is the new filter cartridge from Perkins. We have to change both the fuel filters. If you want to see the housing, it has written from tank to pump. All the lines are mentioned, from pump to fuel temperature sensor and then going to the head. This is the secondary fuel filter and the fuel goes to the head. We have to drain the second filter also before removing it and changing the cartridge. After changing the cartridge, we have to prime the fuel system with the fuel with the help of priming pump. I am going to show you how to do that. Just keep watching. After installing the new filters, with the help of a screw wrench, you can dismantle this fuel filter easily. This is the second filter we have removed. When you install the new filter, make sure that it is fixed in the housing. That is the new filter we are going to install. This will be fixed in the housing with the help of this fitting. When it is fixed, it will not rotate. Tight it with the help of filter spanner. If you put the filter spanner in reverse direction, it will open the filter, but we have to tight it. Now you can see, after tightening the filters, the air is coming out. These are the air bubbles coming out from the pipe going to the head. We have loosened it to drain the air from the system. Now the air is drained and the fuel is coming out. No more air bubbles in the fuel. We will tighten the nut of this pipe and start the generator. First we have to install the fuse inside the panel. We have removed it for the purpose of service, just in case the engine won't start. For the safety purpose, we have removed the fuse. Now we are going to start it. First we have to push the hand button and then the start button. This is deep sea module. Now the engine is started. We have to check for the leaks in the system, in the filters we have installed and the pipe we have loosened. Here you can see no fuel is coming out of the filters. Remember that is 550 kVA generator with 2500 series engine. Perkins. Don't forget to check the parameters after changing the fuel filters. The RPM will drop if the air is still inside there, and the voltage will obviously drop with the RPM and the frequency. The oil pressure is stable, and also the voltage. This is the oil pressure, 6.5 bar. This is temperature. These are the hour meter reading. You can see the dial of the clock showing that this is the hour meter reading, 278.6. Now we will check further parameters inside it. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like that. If you have any question related to the how to prime the diesel engine 2000 series or any other question, just ask in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel.